Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for you. We're going to be making a Glam mirror cloche. And so what we'll need is you're going to need one of these little plastic, I think this is like a little silver or plastic candy dish from Dollar Tree. And I've got a round mirror, but if you want to use a different shape mirror, you can. You could use a square or perhaps an octagon shape mirror from Dollar Tree. Either one of those shapes would work. You're going to need one of these tea light holders, and these come in a pack of 2. And then you'll just need a shape that you're going to use to make your cloche. Now you can use pretty much any shape if you wanted to do a modern interpretation of this. A square would be pretty. I've got this shape here, which is more of like a little tulip or fluted shape. And then I've got this round, like what some people refer to as like a fishbowl shape, if that will work. And you'll need something to create the finial. So for now, I think I'm going to use this little glass bead, again from Dollar Tree. I have got some of these gemstones, peel and stick. You can get these from Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. I picked these up at Walmart because my Dollar Tree doesn't carry them. And I also have some hot glue here, so you'll need that. But if you want to make this a permanent bond, use E6000. And these are the items that we'll need, so let's get this project started. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and put just a row of these gemstones around the base of this. Well, this would be the top edge of it. And I'm going to go ahead and put a row of gemstones around the top. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some gemstones around the edge, around the beveled edge of this part of the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and add some gemstones around this edge here, and then I'm also going to turn it this way, and I'm going to add some gemstones around this base edge here as well. And again, there's no right or wrong. If you decide that you don't want this much embellishment, you don't have to. And now I'm going to go ahead and run some gemstones all the way around this tea light holder. Okay, now that I've gotten everything completed, I've got all of my gemstones added as much as many as I'd like to have on mine. You can do as many or as few as you like. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the cloche. So the first thing I'm going to start with is going to be the finial. And I'm just going to take this gemstone here and I'm going to add it to the very top where I've left space for the gemstone. I'm just going to hot glue it there. Again, keep in mind if you want this to be permanent, you can put just a bead of E6000 on here. Isn't that gorgeous? Now let's get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.